D.B Cooper. What is he? Who is he? Is his name D.B Cooper? Well, we're gonna figure those questions out in today. XR Games Go Crime Part 2. First, I did the Zodiac Killer. That was fun. Yeah, Richard guy got to jail. But I've been thinking about something that I believe is a thing. I opened the door to my room and there it was, D.B Cooper himself. No. Remember how I said Zodiac was D.B Cooper? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna present today. Can D.B Cooper physically beat the Zodiac Killer? Maybe say Exod. That's absurd. Look, they don't even look similar. I'm not gonna show a picture of Zodiac because I just did this video here, the recorded and edited that. Yeah, that only took me 1 minute. So yeah, sorry guys. But also, I've been thinking, what if we've been overlooking this Cooper case too hard? What if his real name is D.B Cooper? Well, I mean, he did jump out of a Boeing airplane, right? He basically jumped out of the rear end. Basically, I'm gonna just explain the crime and then why in a future. So, D.B Cooper, what did he do? Got on a plane with a bomb. Maximum security, where are you? Security for airplanes, you're good now. What happened before in 1771? Yes, this happened in 1771 in November 24th, Wednesday, the last Wednesday of the month. Well, possibly second last Wednesday, because then the month could have ended on Wednesday, so possibly not. But it was Thanksgiving's Eve, okay? Thanksgiving. Okay. The next day was going to be Thanksgiving. He brought up a plane and talked to a few flight attendants. He ordered a bourbon and soda, right? Then he gave a note to the flight attendant. She just put it in her pocket. Then Cooper responded, "Miss, I think you should better look at that. No, I have a bomb." Well, I saw BuzzFeed on this, and then Shane was like, "Miss," the flight attendant was like, "Oh, thank you." Then he was like, "Miss, I think you should look at that note. Yeah, I have a bomb." Oh God. Oh yeah, everybody. Yeah, I have a bomb. But you may be asking, why are you showing this picture of $20 bills? What does this have to do? Did he just run out of picture ideas? No. D.B Cooper had a flight attendant next to him and write down everything he said and take it to the captain. So he said, "I want $200,000 in knapsack, right? I want 2 front parachutes and 2 back parachutes. No funny stuff, or I'll do the job." That was actually on the note he said on the on the note that he gave the flight attendant. But a weird detail is that he himself told the pilot that he wanted it in just $20 bill and a fuel truck ready to fuel up the plane. So when the plane landed in Seattle, Washington, he exchanged the 36 passengers, kept the crew members, right? And he requested his end destination in Mexico City, I believe. Sorry, I didn't do too much research like I did on the Zodiac Killer. Yeah, I had a notebook. I'm just doing this from memory from BuzzFeed. This is D.B Cooper without his glasses from the end of the video. And then, in the middle of the flight, he jumped off. I'm going to explain 2 theories who I believe he is. Well, number 3, really. Number 1, I think he's D.B Cooper. Done. Probably didn't look, as I said, I didn't do any investigation, but I have a feeling, what if the FBI overlooked that and, this guy's D.B Cooper. Let's look in a database for this guy called D.B Cooper. Or maybe it's Cooper Dan, because that's his other name. Cooper Dan. Yeah. You guys don't think. Next theory is when he jumped out of the plane, he's like, "Ah!" Squirrel runs up to him, get out of here, and dies. Pretty much. Next theory is he's the Zodiac Killer. Last time we discussed that the Zodiac Killer was who? Richard Gike, right? I have a feeling he looks a bit like him because he was in his, because apparently he was, okay, my point is he was in his mid-40s doing the Zodiac killings, right? He was in his mid-40s as well, so that means Zodiac. What if you find the Zodiac and find D.B Cooper, or you find D.B Cooper and find the Zodiac, which I don't think is gonna happen because I believe they're both dead. Because if Gike was the Zodiac, D.B Cooper, you're dead. But maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? See, possibly in the future we're gonna have this tech that just with one object being there, we can see whatever happened and we can see where it really was, and we can look back into its history. Yeah, life would be so good that when that happens. But apart from that, we're stuck in this realm without good technology. When I see you again, oh, yeah. Please do not sue me with Khalifa or Charlie Puth. That's all I need. I'm just the kid singing your song. I admire it. Well, I'm actually deciding to do a talk video where I just talk about my life for a random 10 minutes. Well, guys, this video is about to end, so I'm gonna just leave you with the creepy music, and this video is about to end.